Hey friends, I'm going to show you how you can save Matplotlib chart to a file. I have this pie chart which I'm going to save it to a PNG file. For this you can use savefig function and in bracket supply the name of the file. I want to save it as a PNG file, and when I execute this and when I go to my directory here, I got this chart. Now I see that this chart is cut off, so it is not fitting the area very well. So let me see what's going on. So if I open savefig documentation, then I have various arguments here, one of which is bbox inches. So if you supply bbox inches to be tight, it's gonna fit your chart in the output file very well. So now when I open this chart, you can see that the chart is exactly fitting with all the labels and everything is now perfectly fit into a chart. Sometimes you want to have an extra padding. So here you can see that these labels are almost touching the border. Let's say you want to have some extra padding and extra space. Then you can use another argument which is pad inches. So pad inches, it says that it is the padding. Let's say I want 2 inch of padding, and when I run this and when I reopen the chart, you will see I got this extra 2 inch padding around my chart. One more argument to try out is transparent. So if transparent is set to true, it will set the background of your chart to be transparent. That way, if you want to put it on your website or you want to overlay on top of another chart or a background, then it becomes really helpful. So now you can see that the background is transparent. You can check the documentation for rest of the arguments. There is orientation, paper type, frame on. There are like colors. So right now my edge color was white by default. You can also change the color to be something else. You can also save chart as a PDF file, and this time let me save the chart to a different location. So in order to save it to a different location, you have to specify the absolute path. So when I run this now, I need to go to C code directory. So here I have C code directory, and I can see that it generated piechart.pdf file, which is here. And when I open the PDF, I will see this chart here. Okay, so that's all I had for saving charts. I have provided a link to this Jupyter notebook in a video description below. Also, I have an exercise for you to try it out. So I highly recommend that you download this Jupyter notebook and you try out that exercise so that you have an effective learning. Just by watching this video, you're not going to learn it. You have to try this out. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.